How to buy Robux with Google Play gift card. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna see how you can easily buy Robux with your Google Play gift card. Go ahead and open up Roblox first and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you will land on your home interface. All you have to do here is find the Robux icon at the top right beside notification in between the search and notification icon. And then you should be able to get to the Robux store. Now you can select the amount that you want to purchase. So let's just go ahead and continue on with 80 Robux, that's $1. Tap on this, then wait for a bit. It's going to show, if you've already added a card, it's going to show it right here. But if you haven't already, you're going to have to add your card details. Now just tap on one tap to buy, or continue on with the payment and verify your fingerprint. Then you should be able to buy Robux with your card. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.